Masarap pa talagang i-drive ang EV compared to traditional vehicles.
Yes sir, I would say masarap. Una, automatic. Hindi nga cambio. Rotator lang siya. Drive, reverse, neutral, park. Parang gano'n lang siya, di ba? Walang vibration. Walang init sa upuan. Remember ang mga truck, di ba? Ang makina nasa upuan natin. Ito wala. As in, hindi ka ma-feel na may vibration. Tapos hindi ka pagod kasi walang clutch.
Walang clutch.
Okay. And this is also the reason why Mober, this year, we will be focusing hiring more lady driver.
Ibig sabihin, magaan talaga.
Magaan sir. Kahit truck din drive mo, parang drive ng kotse. Kailangan mo lang matansya yung haba. Pero kung yung kabig, yung gano'n, walang kahirap-hirap. We're opening this opportunity to women na gusto matuto mag-drive. Kasi dati, hindi sila makapag-drive kasi nga, mahirap. Ito, hindi na to mahirap. We're trying our best if we can reach 500 units by end of this year. Right? Two, we're eyeing the Southeast Asia market. This May 1, Mober will go live in Thailand.
Mober is not only Philippine-focused company.
They're the first one that we shared na magbubukas kami sa Thailand.
Wow.
The client there is IKEA Thailand.